Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for joining me for another math session. So today we are going to see here is how you're going to find the value of. This is the question given over here. So now you can see the base is different. So first thing, either you have to make the base same or the exponent same. So here there is no exponent, means that will be just 1 over here. So now let us see here. This is actually, if we write 5 4 times, that is going to be 6 raised to, this will 25. So here will be now 5 raised to 4 and this 2x as it is. So we'll put a bracket over here. And this also is a multiple of 5. So 5 into 5, that is going to be 25. So 5 raised to 2, that is going to be 25. So now you can see the base is the same. But before that, what we have to do, we have to multiply this into this. So that is a raised to m multiplied by n, that will be a raised to mn. This is the law. So this will be 8x. And this will be 2 as it is. So now you can see the base is the same, means the exponent should be same. So here that will be 8x is equal to 2. So x will be 2. And this is multiplication. So it is going to get divided. 2 ones are 2 4s are. That will be x is going to be 1 by 4.